Hey Mythic, this is Seth and welcome back. This is episode 2 of the bore-scored Porsche rebuild. So now I'm about to take off the engine cover and we're gonna take a look under there and I'll show you what's up. Alright, we've got the cover off now. And you can see this is the engine from the top side of the interior here. Alright Mythic crew, so always remember that when you're taking bolts off, you want to put them in a baggie. Or you want to store them somehow. These are the engine cover bolts for that plate. I'm going to put them in here. And then I'm going to write the name on the bag. You can use storage containers, a bunch of other things. I like Ziploc baggies because then I can just zip them up, toss them, and then write the names on them, and I'll have them all stored for later. So when I go to put it back together, I'll know where everything goes. I should know where those go even without, but better to do it with everything and be sure. So when unplugging anything, you can also put a piece of tape around this and write the number on it so that you know exactly where it goes. Put a piece of tape on this, write number 1, put a piece of tape on this, write number 1, and you can do that for the whole engine bay if you feel like you need to make sure that you get everything back correctly. Now, I've been a technician for a long time, so I'm not going to do that with this. I'm going to take it apart, I'm going to organize all the parts in bags, and then I'm going to put it back together. But if you are not sure, do that. And if there's any of this that I'm not sure about, I will do that. Alright, so slowly but surely we're making a little bit of progress. Today we've taken off a couple of the covers and we're starting to get a good look at the engine. I unplugged some of the wiring, took off a couple of the hoses, the air hoses there, unplugged the injectors, and we are starting to get this engine. So next time we'll end up taking off some more of the plugs and the hoses. We might jack it up and drain out the fluids, get rid of the antifreeze and the oil. Right, so we didn't get a lot done today, but we did get a good start and now we can see the engine. Next time we'll get a little bit more done and we'll keep on going one step at a time. So that's it for today. I hope you like and subscribe. Come back next time and see a little bit more of the build. Thanks for watching. That's all. See you next time, Mythic. Sets out.